Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.44 for data science, coupled with a momentum of minus 0.41. This suggests a significant shift in perception over the last 24 hours. You might notice that sentiment has remained relatively stable in this domain, but this uptick indicates a growing optimism that could be tied to recent advancements or announcements in AI and machine learning. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis results, including sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters, allowing you to see the nuances behind the numbers. Imagine you're building a dashboard for real-time sentiment monitoring on emerging technologies. This data could help you identify trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.